name is Cheri and welcome to Learn English with Cheri. In today's lesson in the long vowel lesson series, we're going to focus on the long I vowel sound. Let's get started. Let's review some pronunciation tips. The long I is actually a two-sound vowel that ends in a brief y sound. At the beginning of the sound, the tongue is low and touches the bottom side teeth. As the jaw closes slightly, the body of the tongue moves upward until it is near the tooth ridge, which is immediately behind your top front teeth, similar to the position of a Y sound. The front sides of the tongue touch the inside of the top side teeth. I. Let's practice. I. Okay, now let's try the word. I. Right. Right. Okay, now let's try a sentence. Turn right at the evergreen tree. Turn right at the evergreen tree. Okay, let's try it one more time a bit faster. Turn right at the evergreen tree. Okay, remember, you need to say the words and sentences out loud as you watch this video to help get as much as you can out of the practicing. Now let's take a look at this word. This is the same word, but it's spelled differently. It still is pronounced the same way. Right. Right. Puberty is a rite of passage to adulthood. Puberty is a rite of passage to adulthood. All right, let's try it again a bit faster. Puberty is a rite of passage to adulthood. Right. Okay, now let's take a look at this word. The long I sound is in the medial position of the word. This means it is in the middle of the word. Kite. K-I-T. Kite. Go fly a kite. Go fly a kite. And one more time. Go fly a kite. This is a phrase that is used to tell someone, go away. Go fly a kite. Okay, great work. You did it. In our next lesson, we will take a look at the long O vowel sound. I look forward to seeing you again soon. See ya.